Okay, guys, here we go. Chapter 6. Edward just got thrown off the ship, tumbling into the ocean. Let's see what happens. And looks, we got a little picture of it. Looks like a hat just falling. So let's see what happens. Here we go. How does a China rabbit die? Can a China rabbit drown? Is my hat still on my head? These were the questions that Edward asked himself as he went sailing out over the blue sea. The sun was high in the sky, and from what seemed to be a very long way away, Edward heard Abelina call his name. Edward! She shouted, "Come back!" Let me get this right. Oh, okay. Jeez. Sorry, guys. Okay. All right. As he tumbled ears over tail through the air, he managed to catch one last glimpse of Abilene. Oh man, look at this picture. Here's him floating down the ocean. She was standing on the deck of the ship, holding on to the railing with one hand. In the other hand was a lamp. Wait. Hold on. Did I mess something up? Okay, so she saw Abelina. Okay, and this is him. She was standing on the deck of the ship, holding on the railing with one hand, and on the other hand was a lamp. No, it was a ball of fire. No, Edward realized it was his gold pocket watch that Abilene held in her hand. She was holding it up high and was reflecting the light off the sun. Okay, Abeline's holding on to his little gold watch because he doesn't have it anymore. My pocket watch, he thought. I need that. And then Abilene disappeared from view, and the rabbit hit the water with a tremendous force that his hat blew off of his head. That answers that question, thought Edward, as he watched the hat dance away the wind. And then he began to sink. He sank and sank and sank. He kept his eyes open the whole time, not because he was brave, but because he had no choice. His painted-on eyes witnessed the blue watering turning to green and then to blue again. They watched as it finally became black as night. Edward went down and down. He was to himself. I am going to drown. Certainly I would have drowned, but if I would have drowned, certainly I would have drowned so by now. Far above him, the ocean liner with Abilene aboard sailed blithely on, and the China rabbit landed finally on the ocean floor, face down. And there, with his head in the muck, that's like mud, he experienced his first genuine and true emotion. So here's the first emotion little Edward's ever had. Edward Tulane was afraid. Whoa. Okay. All right, that was a short one. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Keep responding.